Well, now have all our plumbing tied in. Footing pad is done. You gotta wait at least 30 minutes before we pressurize everything. You step down in here. Woo, that got a little crazy. All right, well, electrician got to lower this box. He got it way too high. He's gonna be doing that shortly. We gotta be able to get into this heater right here. So that's kind of annoying right there. Really wish it had been, on the end down here out of the way. Would have been nice, but anyway. We got a 400,000 BTU heater, and everything plumbed in there, air line, everything's capped off. Just a matter of waiting in order to be able to put pressure on it. We got our rough end done with our light conduits. Home run pipe is run through here for the power. Bonding wire done. Pipes are stepping down into our lower ditch there. Yeah, this has been a little bit challenging. Fitting wasted. Electricians are trying to get into the power supply. I've been calling these sconces, but they're really just scuppers that we're running, scupper lines. Nice job with the 45s there, Bo. Yeah, we got all our fittings basket. I wondered where they were. All right, well, that's what I got for now. We'll see how it holds pressure and wait for our inspection on the rough end and bonding, and then we can start covering up, preparing for the coping and the wall over there. We'll see you then.